In this video, I'll show you how to change monitor refresh rate on Windows 11. Ensure you subscribe and turn on notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. If you're using the Windows 11 and you love to change your monitor, your laptop or your PC refresh rate, what you're going to do right now, click on the start bar, right, click on the settings. Once it has opened up, you're going to click on this display, right, click on this display. Now once I clicked on it, you're going to wait for it to load, right. Scroll down, click on this advanced display. Now from here you can see this is it, choose a refresh rate, right. So if you're on your laptop, if you're on your PC, if you're on your monitor and you love to change or adjust your refresh rate, this is where you're going to choose it, right. This is the 60.05 Hz, so this is the 48 Hz, right. So you can select anyone, you can change anyone from your choice, from your preference. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. See you on the next one.